should understand that we appreciate the concern raised by the Market Association as well as all the corporators here. But as per government guidelines, all the bulk waste generators are required to process their waste. The disposal of waste has to be in situ on the site. And that's why that waste disposal plant has come very next to the municipal markets. When it comes to the problem of stench, then we have to address that. We need better technology. I have also visited that site, and as some of the corporators said, probably in the last 1 week there has been some change, and the traders are facing problems. So I have instructed my team to go there just to find out what has happened in the last 1 week, because the agency which has been given this task, they were running this plant very successfully. I myself have visited that plant several times, and I had no complaints to them. But we will definitely see what changes have come in the last 1 week, and we will address them. The corporation has taken that decision till 31st of July. This weekend I myself was on the round of the city, and I have seen the level of cleanliness in the city was not good. And I called for attendance. All the supervisors submitted that attendance record, and as per that record, all the laborers were available for the job. If all the laborers were available for the job, then the city should not look so dirty. That's why I have taken this decision that there will be deduction in their salary for 2 days. We have a grant under 14th Finance Commission from Government of India. This grant amounts to almost 2 crores, and this can be used for solid waste management, for drainage system, for lighting, beautification of the city. But since stormwater drainage is one of the primary concerns of the city, which receives heavy rainfall during monsoon, so I proposed, and all the honorable corporators have agreed, that this fund should be used for repair and maintenance of existing drains. All the corporators are against it. That is not true. Some corporators definitely raise this point, and it's my duty to tell them about the rules, because this is city government, but there is a state government also, there is a central government also. As I told you, all the bulk waste generators have to ensure that their waste is treated on the site itself. But yes, there can be concern of stench that we have to address.